military enthusiasts. I hope you're having a great day. In today's video, we'll be discussing America's B-1 Lancers are preparing for war in Korea, a topic that's making headlines worldwide. Let's dive in. The training helped ensure the combat readiness of combined and joint air assets in the Indo-Pacific theater by building proficiency in aircrew tactics, techniques, and procedures, the Air Force stated. The Air Force simulated a precision strike against an adversary with a pair of B-1 Lancer strategic bombers in the Korean Peninsula. Flying alongside the strategic bombers were U.S. and South Korean stealth fighter jets. Simulated precision strikes. Earlier in February, the Air Force deployed a pair of B-1 Lancer strategic bombers in South Korea. The aircraft conducted simulated precision strikes with the help of Air Force, Marine, and South Korean fighter jets. In a potential future conflict with North Korea, B-1 Lancers would most likely conduct precision strikes against military and infrastructural targets. Advanced training like today's event ensures we're able to maintain the high levels of readiness necessary for our combined defense posture, Lieutenant General David Iverson, the commander of the 7th Air Force, said in a press release. Each time our aircrew plan, execute, and debrief together, we build proficiency in our tactics, techniques, and procedures to defend the alliance if required. Flying alongside the B-1 Lancers were 4 Marine Corps F-35B Lightning II, 4 South Korean Air Force F-35A Lightning II, and 3 Air Force F-16 Fighting Falcons fighter jets. The training helped ensure the combat readiness of combined and joint air assets in the Indo-Pacific theater by building proficiency in aircrew tactics, techniques, and procedures, the Air Force stated. The Air Force regularly deploys strategic bombers in hot spots around the world as a show of force. These deployments also go a long way in reassuring key allies and partners about U.S. commitment to global security and stability. B-1 Lancers have recently flown in both Europe and the Indo-Pacific in response to Russian and Chinese aggressive movements. An aging aircraft. In terms of the aircraft itself, the B-1 Lancer is flying in its last years. With the B-21 Raider 6th generation stealth bomber coming soon, the Air Force will gradually retire the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit in exchange for a future fleet composed of just B-21 Raiders and B-52 Stratofortresses. However, the B-1 Lancer will remain in service in the near future. Until the B-21 Raider is operational in sufficient numbers, the Air Force will keep flying the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit. Indeed, last year, the service even brought a B-1 Lancer back from retirement to fill pressing operational gaps. After all, the Pentagon is required by law to maintain a strategic bomber fleet of at least 92 aircraft. In operational service since 1986, the B-1 Lancer is a supersonic strategic bomber with a global reach. In terms of payload capabilities, the Lancer is the aircraft in the U.S. military that can carry the most munitions, 75,000 pounds. The aircraft used to be nuclear capable, meaning that it could carry nuclear munitions as part of nuclear deterrence missions, but today is limited to conventional payloads. Of course, if the need arose, the B-1 Lancer fleet could easily be converted to carry nuclear weapons again.